5 best features. Unique layered design that stands out. The Air Force One shadow takes the classic AF1 and adds doubled swooshes, layered panels, and extra design details. It keeps the iconic silhouette while offering a fresh, fashion-forward look that easily grabs attention without being over the top. More comfortable than the classic AF1. The slightly thicker foam midsole provides better cushioning than the standard Air Force One. Combined with the padded collar, the shoe feels comfortable for everyday wear, whether you're shopping, traveling, or spending hours on your feet. Slightly taller sole adds extra height. The raised midsole gives you a subtle height boost of around 1–2 centimeters without feeling awkward. Many wearers appreciate the extra height while still enjoying the stability of a lifestyle sneaker. Easy to style with casual outfits. Despite its bold design, the Air Force One shadow pairs well with jeans, cargos, leggings, joggers, oversized hoodies, and shorts. It's a versatile sneaker that works for both casual and streetwear-inspired outfits. Durable build for daily use. Like other Air Force One models, the shadow features a sturdy leather upper and durable rubber outsole. With proper care, it holds up well to regular daily wear and maintains its shape over time. Oh no! Top 3 drawbacks. Bulkier than regular Air Force One. The extra layers and thicker sole make the shadow look and feel chunkier than the classic Air Force One. If you prefer slim, minimal sneakers, this design may not suit your style. Leather creases with regular wear. The toe box still develops creases after repeated use, especially if you wear the shoes frequently. This is a common characteristic of leather Air Force One models and is difficult to avoid. Can feel warm in hot weather. Because of the leather construction and layered upper, airflow is limited. During hot summer days or long walks, your feet may feel warmer compared to lightweight mesh sneakers.
Top comments by users. Listen, dear viewer. Check these things before accepting the parcel.